Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update a MacBook Air to the latest version. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your MacBook Air. Once the settings window opens, click on General from the left-hand menu. After that, select the Software Update option. Your MacBook will now begin searching for any available software updates. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. If a new macOS update is available, you'll see an option called Update Now or Upgrade Now. Simply click on that button to begin downloading and installing the latest version on your MacBook Air. During the installation process, your Mac may restart several times, so make sure your device stays connected to power while the update is being installed. If you want your MacBook to install updates automatically in the future, click on the small eye icon next to Automatic Updates. From there, enable the option for automatically downloading and installing macOS updates. So that's basically how you can update a MacBook Air to the latest version. That's it for this video. Thanks.